If you want to change your Chrome avatar to a custom picture, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is a great way to personalize your browser and make your Google profile look the way you want. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/personal-info. This is the Google account page where you can manage your personal details, including your profile picture. Once the page loads, look for your current profile picture and click on it. This will open the profile picture settings. Next, click Upload from Device. This option lets you choose a custom image saved on your computer. After that, browse through your files and select the picture you want to use as your new Chrome avatar. Once you select the image, Google will open a crop and positioning screen. Here you can adjust the crop so your picture looks centered and clear. Take a moment to move and resize it until it looks right. When you're happy with how it looks, click Confirm to save the change. Your new profile picture will now be applied to your Google account, and that means your Chrome avatar will update as well. If it doesn't update instantly, give it a moment and refresh Chrome if needed. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Chrome avatar with a custom picture. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide.